see it. My boy Fang repping UCM. Shoutouts to UCM back home. Alright, Fang taking the lead. F smash not gonna go. Up B onto shield. I know Fang does that often whenever I play against him. Blaster. Fang on ledge. Counter doesn't do anything, but the up smash does take it. First stock going to Woody. Down smash doesn't do anything. Back throw. Good counter. Woody makes it back, but Fang sending him right back to ledge. F smash. Damn. Trading! Holy crap! Good down smash by Woody. F tilt gonna take it for Fang. But Woody has piled up a lot of damage. Double fair coming out. Dash attack not gonna connect. Woody back airing Fang off stage. Gun does it. Alright. Up air. Can do 30%. Around 30. The patience on Woody. Another up air. Up B does not connect. Arsene coming in. Down smash doesn't. Grab doesn't connect. Surprising. Fang shield looking like a Skittle. Up smash from Fang. Woody coming down with the gun. That smash doesn't connect. Rolls out to avoid that down smash. And Fang's just looking for the kill. He does get it. What? Yeah. Hey, I know I'm repping for my boy, but like, I don't care, man. I'm chilling. Down throw. Dash attack doesn't connect. Fang. Oh, and the back air takes it. Game 1 going to Woody.
No time to waste.
Game 2 going back to Pokemon Stadium. Let's see if Fang switches. He does not. Oh, is he gonna play the... Is he gonna go Kazuya? Ah, baiting us. Oh. Alright, game 2 on Pokemon Stadium. Woody is up 1-0. Fang has 60%, 73% on him. Still unanswered, but that nair does connect. Good dash attack. Trying to end it early. No tech. And that's his stock. Back throw. Yeah. Good job. Woody is back on stage. Jab block, down smash. He's just putting on the percent. But that nair will take it. F smash. Fang recovers with the side B. F smash takes the game. Takes the stock, sorry. Woody, stock lead. Piling up the extra credit on him. Ooh, that gun. Playing the best character in the game. IMO. Damn. Fang needs to get some percent on. F smash. Dare coming out. Arsene coming out to play. Dash attack. Oh, gets the spike! It is not over. Fang can still win this. Oh, the up smash takes it. Game 2 going to Woody also. Are we going to see the switch from Fang going to town? We've seen. Is he gonna play Pyramithra? Because I know Fang got that box. There's no way he plays Pichu. And it is the Pyramithra. Alright. Game 3. Let's see if Fang can answer Woody's Joker. We've seen a lot of gun from Woody. Hella nice. Gonna recover with the side B. Ooh, goes to the platform. I don't think he has a jump. Still recovers though. And Woody just not letting him recover. So just a mid throw. Ooh, Lightning Busters gets the roll. Fang striking first with that first stock. Side B's back onto stage. Go get Arsene's coming out. Oh, Lightning Buster almost kills. Back air's gonna take the stock. However, Woody is almost at 100%. Flame Nova not gonna kill because he counters, jabs. Arsene coming out. The up B. Fair gonna take it. Fang up a stock. All he got to do is build some extra credit, finish the stock, either on this one or next one. Ooh. Back air takes the stock. Woody is not out of it yet. He still has Arsene for a pretty long amount of time. Dash attack, evening up the game. Arsene leaves. Woody pulling out the gun. Ooh, and that's it. Woody 3-0s Fang. Man, bro, I thought you had that.
You know what?